Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin in Side Settings to enable guided access so the device can restrict itself later. Once in Accessibility, tap Guided Access and turn it on. Set a passcode or enable Face ID for quick entry and secure exit. Make sure to choose an app to test with. Open that app now. You do this first because guided access locks to the foreground app. Enabling it ahead avoids interruptions. When ready, trip the Start gesture in the app to move to the next step. Once the target app is open, triple-click the Home or Side button to reveal guided access controls. This is where you sculpt the experience. Draw with your finger to disable specific screen regions like buttons or ads. This stops accidental taps. Tap options to toggle hardware buttons, touch, motion, keyboard, and time limits. Decide what must remain active. You do this because tailoring controls prevents escapes and keeps focus. After configuring, start the session and test the locked settings briefly. To finish, triple-click the Home or Side button and enter your guided access passcode or use Face ID to exit. This restores normal device behavior. If you can't end a session because the passcode is forgotten, force a restart and then restore settings from backup. Make sure you have a backup first. If guided access seems unresponsive, toggle it off in Settings or adjust options to re-enable hardware buttons. Remember, use the accessibility shortcut for instant access when needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.